Your current brain is a sterile field sown by external algorithms. Imagine possessing an inner garden of ideas so powerful that reality bends to your will. The feeling of having a brilliant idea and losing it is an echo of your untapped potential. This system is a massive reality-building weapon that you'll want to use to liberate others. What if your mind wasn't yours, but a borrowed database? Discover how knowledge elites have used hidden idea banks to shape the world. You'll yearn to possess the key to creating your own idea system that generates freedom, purpose, and abundance. Access the protocol to build your interdimensional idea bank. You live in a state of information overload where brilliant ideas drown in a sea of junk content. Every lost idea is a version of you that never comes to life. It's the anxiety of knowing you have the potential, but not the system. It's the matrix sucking your genius dry. The Hidden Idea Banking Archetype, a neurospiritual system for capturing, alchemizing, and activating ideas. In the age of AI, those who don't systematize their creativity will be replaced by it. To free humanity from the matrix of passive creativity and reconnect with its innate generative power. Through a hybrid system of quantum neuroscience and focus rituals, a hidden idea bank, a tool of mental alchemy. Forget what you think you know about taking notes or keeping a journal. That's for the matrix. What I'm going to reveal to you today is the Hidden Idea Banking Archetype, a system that the intellectual elite has used for centuries and that you can now use to hack your own brain. Reprogram your thought patterns and build the life your intuition knows is possible. It's not just an idea bank. It's a reality reactor. Imagine your mind as a garden. Most people have a wild, overgrown garden. Every brilliant idea you have is a seed of gold. What do? You drop it in the weeds. That's not creativity, it's spiritual neglect. Science calls it potential leakage. Every lost idea is a small death of a future version of yourself. A future where you are free, where your purpose is not an abstract concept, but a tangible reality. You're operating in user mode when you were born to be a programmer. But here arises the existential question that will challenge your personal matrix. If the universe is a hologram of information and your mind is a receiver, are you creating these ideas? Or are you simply the channel through which the universe chooses to manifest? What if the most powerful hidden idea isn't the one you generate, but the one that generates you? The true bank of ideas isn't in your head, but in the field of infinite potentiality of which your brain is merely a modem. Neuroplasticity requires repetition and focus. Intuition requires silence. In a system that pays you to constantly create content, how do you protect the sacred space of incubating ideas? Is constant content creation an act of service or a new form of validation addiction? By becoming an architect of digital realities, do you assume karmic responsibility for the realities you construct? If your content reprograms their perception, are you prepared to be the guardian of that new consciousness? This is the antidote, this is the code. Build your bank. Activate your portal. Reality is waiting for you.